Hey there. If you're day trading Forex, download our free FX breakout dashboard from the link below the video. You get real-time instant alerts showing you the best Forex pairs to trade which have huge strength. You can see how it works on the video now. Get your dashboard today. It's completely free and you'll always be trading the right pairs. The link is under the video.
Here is the FX Scalp dashboard. It gives you real-time alerts. Watch how it works and read the instructions on the screen. Use the dashboard signals to tell you what to trade. Then trade the pullback on small time frames. Try matching strong currencies against weak currencies. You can have more success doing this. Or weak against strong. You can get your dashboard free. Go to the link under the video. You can get your dashboard free. Go to the link under the video. You can get your dashboard free. Go to the link under the video.